Do you want to hire a VA, but you don't know how to do this? I know this is the number one question my clients ask me actually. But this week I want to be so transparent with you because you know how I do the work you do when you work with me. It's just, as a vet of it in the industry, as a social media specialist and digital marketing as a whole, I am further along in the journey. This is why I can help people who wants to come along. So one of the things that I notice is kind of the major pain point of the women I work with. It's really the doing, like creation of things. So there is a fear of tech. That's one thing, but also the fear of, or the perception that they're not meant to do social media posts or create an image or create a quote or edit a video. They don't have time to do this, right? So if you recognize yourself in this, it's quite a relief when I announce to them that when you work with me, you access my VAs. So it could be for anything social media related, for posts and stuff like that. But also when we build your sales machine, right? A sales machine takes a few pieces. It takes you, okay? How do you become a marketer and feel good about it? And how do you become a seller and feel good about it using the beautiful online tools we have right there, okay? So we do the mind and body work through the Mind Magic framework. So that's one thing. Then what we do is that we clarify, who do you want to talk to on the internet? There are so many people on the internet, right? So, and what do you want to tell them? So this is why we spend the first part really identifying what we call the magic sentences. What are you about? And how do you say it quick, right? We then work on your ideal audience. And so when I say we work on your ideal audience, we actually interview your audience, right? I literally interview your clients to learn about them. And I use, I'm a journalist by craft. So I interview them like if they were on a news show. And then, my VAs, they help me cut some of this to use on your social media or, generate the transcription or find the highlights, whatever. So I don't work alone with you. I work with my team of VAs. You access them without having even to talk to them. I am the middle woman. So can you imagine this? Just that, I was talking to my business coach this week and she said, Angelique, you need to tell people this. So like you're a one shop stop. Not only you build the full, sales machine, the social media presence, you help people to feel good about it, and then you give access to your VAs. Yeah, there's some part of the VA work that we do that is part of your package, and some part that you pay at a very discounting rate, because I know you don't have to find the VA, you don't have to talk to the VA. If you have feedback, I provide the feedback to the VA, like you're really like, hey, for a year. Plus, when it's time for you to hire a VA on your own, you know more what to ask for, what to expect. Because what I see early in the process, most of my clients hire their own VA. So they get to work with mine and they're like, oh, maybe I'm going to hire a VA for another part of my business. And all of them have done that, which is awesome because they feel empowered to do this. But then they find that it's not exactly what they wanted to. So they come back to me as like, it's not working out. So it takes a lot of time to find the right person. Don't get me wrong. I think I was the luckiest woman in the world 3 years ago when I finally decided to hire a VA for me and for my clients. It was, a step into the unknown for me. I just had amazing candidates and I didn't have to dig too much, but I hear a lot this. So that's why I want to share this with you. Not only you work with a vet of the industry, I've been, doing that work for more than 10 years. In the paid media aspect of things, so running ads. But what I love the most is to help women entrepreneurs to build the foundation of what it takes before you run ads. What it takes in terms of content strategy, social media strategy, sales strategy, email strategy. So we do all of this, and then you access my VA. So I wanted this to be clear so that you know now better about social media love and what it is like to work with me in the Visibility Accelerator, which is a very white glove service, and it's even going to be even more white gloves in the next few months. I'm very excited. I'm not going to share too much about this, but I want you to know if you are looking for help and support in building or optimizing your sales system, your online presence, so that it speaks together. You know, you sell and you promote and should be speaking together, and help to support you in the creation of content. It could be also when you do workshops. My clients do workshops, they do presentations, so my VA, they hire my VA to create that for them, the sales page as well, some emails, depending on your needs. So on this note, reach out to me if you want to learn more of what it could look like for you and your business, which, remember, the first day you started that business, you were so excited. And I want you to keep that excitement and regenerate that energy that you can go next level now. Ciao.